So guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, as you can see by the title, we are doing a movie night tonight. Let's start off by showing you guys everything we got. And this is my sister Katie. If you guys don't know her, go to some other videos with her. You have a whole bunch of candy. Guys, first we have 2 M&Ms,
Skittles,
Crunch,
hot tamales,
Mike and Ike,
herbs,
Cookie Dough. I've actually never had these before.
Sour Patch,
Jolly Rancher gummies. Never had these either.
Sour Punch,
And then we just picked up some Airheads bites. So this is the candy that we got, and we're gonna be eating nachos. Why is this dirty already? I know we put your finger.
I didn't do that though.
Okay, so we have some cheese dip, and we have the cups to put it in. We're gonna place our nachos on here.
We have 4 of them. Uno.
Okay, so we have these. I'm not sure if we're gonna actually put the popcorn in these, or we have these little paper bags. These look kind of cheap. I don't know. My mom bought them. But we have these. Let's show the actual popcorn machine. Okay, guys, we got this popcorn machine. We got it from Target. So let's open it up and see how it works. What did I say?
He said he forgot the seeds.
Okay, my
Oh
dad
my God,
just...
you have 30 minutes.
For what?
Stores close at 8?
I don't know.
Yeah, stores close at 8 o'clock.
No.
No.
Look up the nearest store on your phone.
Stores close at 8 o'clock.
Okay, he forgot the popcorn seeds, and now he has to go run and get them. He has approximately 27 minutes, and he hasn't even left yet.
I'm about to leave this video.
Oh, why?
Because you're making me mad. You're being rude.
How am I being rude?
Because I was just trying to say something.
Is this a real subject rivalry on video?
Basically, you just put it in like this. I'm not really sure how this works. I guess you put the sticks of butter up here, and this little opening, and the. So that's what it said on the spot.
Wait. You put the popcorn in
Whatever, we'll read it later.
and then it's like,
Okay.
put it on right too.
No, we're not.
Right there.
Don't subscribe. Katie.
Start
And
over.
then we
Start
only
over.
have,
Start over
and
that
then
part.
we, and then I'm starting over.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. And then we have the 2 seasonings. They had about only 4 or 5 at the store, but we just decided to get 2. So we got the butter flavored. We were gonna get the salt flavor, but we realized that
Or
was just,
ranch, but like no one
yeah,
likes
I don't. My
ranch.
mom said ranch. I'm not sure why she wanted ranch
Yeah.
on popcorn. But we got this nacho cheddar.
Cheesy popcorn?
This, yeah, that might be good, but I'm not sure. And then lastly, we got these donuts. It's
Listen,
like,
put her bra down.
hey, my sister somehow talked me into getting these sour bursts from the store. I thought it was just regular blue.
No, I think they're fine. They're not too sour, not too shabby.
And then we had 6 apple juices.
My
Where you
favorite
going? Why you going in
drink.
my room?
Wash my hands.
Why?
But I like this drink a lot. I rate this 10 out of 10.
And then we're also gonna have pizza, I think. So we'll see you guys once we start popping the popcorn and getting everything set up. Okay guys, so we have the popcorn machine, and I'm just gonna turn it on. And as you can see, it started to spin. It is hot, so I think this is the right oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. Hopefully that works. I'm just gonna pour it.
It's supposed to be vegetable oil.
Oh, it's supposed to be vegetable oil.
But it might smoke it.
This might be the same thing. I guess it's ready. So we have this. And oh, it's hot.
We're doing it.
How much y'all put on it?
Evenly.
I don't know how much you put on there. Okay, this is the top, guys. We have probably too much butter on here, but it's okay. Must not be hot on the bottom. I'm gonna try it.
It's dry.
Hmm?
It's dry.
It is dry.
Is it rain?
I don't know. Okay, we're gonna be putting this on there. Oh, hold on. Okay, guys, so I put a little bit of the powder on there. It's better. Okay, so basically we're about to take a thumbnail. So we have the popcorn right there, and then right here is the sour straws that well, it says college fun, but there's candy in it. This is the sour straws that we showed you guys. So right now we're gonna show you guys how we're making the nachos. You guys, we just put it in a little boat right here, and these chips are this. And then we are just putting the cheese dip in there. We have the cheese warming up right here. You got dripped a little bit on the ground. Yeah. There's a lot of water and juice in there. We have our nachos, nacho cheese, and we have some jalapenos. And then coming over here, we have sorry, this is sealed. Hold on. We have this cookie pizza, guys. This is my absolute favorite. I have my favorite Papa John's, which, yeah, Papa John's is the best pizza out here. But everyone else disagrees with me. Who's your favorite pizza? What's the best pizza place? What's the best pizza place? What's the best, Teddy?
Oh, pizza.
And we're about to eat this food, eat all our candy, and watch a movie. So I'll see you guys when we get all that set and we get all relaxed. I'm about to go rip this wig off. Okay, guys, so that's it for this video. My brother and sister are over there. I would film by the TV, but it is way too dark. It is way too loud. Dancing, now you miss her. Okay, anyways, guys, so we're just gonna film a few TikToks and learn some dances, basically, for the rest of the night. Stay up, watch movies. They're watching something called Woody the Woodpecker. I never seen it, but yeah, that's basically all we're doing. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment below any, I don't know, comment below any video ideas you want to see from me. So Katie, any words to the camera? Hey, how did you enjoy the day?
I'm good. No,
It's dark. Nobody, you don't look bad.
I feel fine.
Oh, guys, I need to show you the view outside. Goodness, I'm about to fall to the floor. Guys, it is so cute. That is it for this video. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.